Are you tired of waking up feeling tired? Do you struggle to find the motivation to succeed? Well, today is the day that changes everything. Introducing the morning routine that will transform your life. By starting your day with intention, focus, and positivity, you'll be unstoppable. First things first, make your bed. This simple task sets the tone for the day ahead and gives you a sense of accomplishment right from the start. Next, take a few minutes to stretch and move your body. Not only will this wake you up, but it also gets your blood flowing and energizes you for the day ahead. Now, it's time to practice gratitude. Take a few moments to reflect on everything you're thankful for. This puts you in a positive mindset and helps you approach the day with a sense of abundance. Finally, set your intentions for the day. Visualize yourself succeeding and accomplishing all of your goals. This helps you stay focused and motivated throughout the day. So there you have it, the morning routine that will change your life. By consistently practicing these habits every morning, you'll be on your way to ultimate success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more motivational content.